Children, welcome back to Max Make Easy. Let's continue with Pythagoras Theorem, exercise 18, part 8. Here is the 8th question. Show that the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle if AB is equal to 9 cm, BC is equal to 40 cm and AC is equal to 41 cm. Here they have said that we have to prove that ABC is a right angle triangle, and they have given the values for the sides, all three sides. Since we have to prove it, just consider it as a right angle triangle and name it as A, B and C. Now AB length is 9 centimeter, AC length is 41 centimeter, A to C is 41 centimeter, A to B is 9 centimeter and B to C is 40 centimeter. I have just note down this values in a pictorial form, and you can even note down in a given data. Here AC is 41 centimeter. Here one more thing is how we have written this 41 centimeter in this AC, in this place. It's because they haven't said anything, right? They haven't given any information regarding this, which side is and which, right? So because we all know that the hypothesis is the largest side among this 9, 40 and 41. 41 is the largest side, right? So always the hypothesis is the largest side, will be the largest side in right angle triangle. So in that way I have considered that AC should be the hypothesis. It should come on this side, that is AC side, right? And AC is the hypothesis because it is the largest side. We have to mark it over here only. If you place this hypothesis on any other side, if you place this one as 41, you will get a wrong answer, right? Because always in a right angle triangle, hypothesis will be the largest side. Hypothesis will be the largest side when compared to the other remaining two sides. And here you can change it. You can write this has 40 centimeter and this has 9 centimeter. But this hypothesis, this 41 should be written only in that place. Now according to the Pythagoras theorem, we all know that AC square, the hypothesis square, is equal to sum of the square of the sides, that is AB square plus BC square. Now just substitute this given values in this formula, that is AC is equal to 41. So 41 square, AB is 9 centimeters, so 9 square plus BC is 40 centimeters, so 40 square, right? So here 41 square means it is 41 into 41. It is 1681. 1681 is equal to 9 nines are 81 plus 40 into 40 is 1600. Now you can just add this 81 plus 1600 will be 1681. Look here, left hand side is equal to the right hand side. That means the given triangle ABC is a right angle for this values. I hope you understood. I hope you understood the solution. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Check the description box for Pythagoras theorem, and if you are unable to solve any questions, max questions, you can just post me in the comment section. I will just create a video and upload it as soon as possible. Thank you.